Welcome to our review of Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. This book takes us on a fascinating journey through the history of our species, exploring key milestones from the dawn of Homo sapiens to the modern era. Let's dive in. Harari begins by introducing us to the idea that, for most of our existence, humans were insignificant animals with no more impact on their environment than gorillas, fireflies, or jellyfish. The book is divided into 4 parts, each covering a major epoch in human history. The first part, the cognitive revolution, starts around 70,000 years ago. During this period, Homo sapiens developed unique cognitive abilities. The key to this revolution was the ability to create and believe in shared myths, which enabled large-scale cooperation among strangers. This capacity for collective imagination allowed humans to build complex societies, establish trade networks, and develop intricate social structures. It was the birth of history as we know it. The second part of the book covers the agricultural revolution, which began around 12,000 years ago. This was a transformative period when humans transitioned from being hunter-gatherers to farmers. The domestication of plants and animals led to the establishment of villages and cities, but it also introduced new challenges. Although agriculture allowed for population growth, it also led to social hierarchies, labor exploitation, and a decrease in the overall quality of life for many individuals. Harari explains that this new cognitive ability set Homo sapiens apart from other species. Early humans began to hunt more effectively, domesticate plants and animals, and eventually settled in permanent villages. Harari argues that the agricultural revolution was history's biggest fraud. People worked harder than ever before, lived in worse conditions, and were more prone to disease. However, it did pave the way for complex societies, the development of writing, and the birth of kingdoms and empires. In the third part, the Unification of Humankind, Harari explores how over the millennia, separate human cultures began to unify into larger and larger groups. This unification was often driven by 3 factors: money, empires, and religions. These elements helped to create a shared culture and mutual understanding among disparate groups. Money, as a universal medium of exchange, facilitated trade across cultures. Empires imposed order and laws, unifying diverse peoples under centralized governments. Religions offered a shared set of beliefs and practices, often promoting social cohesion and stability. Harari highlights how major religions like Christianity, Islam, and Buddhism, as well as empires like the Roman and Chinese empires, played critical roles in shaping human history. They provided frameworks within which people could cooperate on a massive scale. The final part of the book, the scientific revolution, began around 500 years ago and continues to the present day. This period is characterized by an unprecedented explosion of knowledge and technological advancement. The scientific method transformed our understanding of the natural world and led to innovations that fundamentally altered human societies.